We are live and direct in Essex. Was this on?
Yeah, make sure
I had to pause that. It's like a jokey song. I don't know how that ended up on my playlist.
That's what they listen to in the morning. You say I tried, I should leave you, say goodbye. It's killing me inside. Next to you, I could be alright. Jesus.
Who's this? I was told Chinese girls like to do this kind of thing. That one whole crack up song. I'm too going on too young. Fucking hell.
That's crazy.
She was coming on, man. Drake's actually fucking insane, isn't it? So many good songs.
Is this Drake?
Yeah. Morning, boys. Yeah, no worries, Lyle. What are you saying, boys? Morning, Casual. Morning, Jay. TJ, what are you saying? Lyle, Controller, Halani, FX Replay, Full Port, what are we saying? Was you looking for shorts? So yeah, bro, I'm looking for shorts personally. It might be just a live execution one, chat, I'll be honest. The goal might just be sell with a decent stop loss, a bit of room. Something like that. You probably are going to be better off just live executing, chat. Just because when we do invert, it's probably just going to be so fucking quick. What we saying though, chat, would you look for shorts? Yeah, bro. Did you take the trade when it swept Asia low? Nah, bro, I didn't get in this one. My bias was personally bearish. Morning Flash, morning Time Warp, morning One Ball, morning Deep Focus to Cat. What we saying, boys? Morning, everyone. But yeah, I do think a live execution, if you are higher conviction, is probably the way to go. We'll see if we struggle to break this kind of shit. EU looks decent for a move down. I mean, GU looks crap. But yeah, EU looks like it could be ready for a move down. DXY has just got this fucking huge bit of consolidation here, which is obviously what we're trading within now. But yeah, I definitely do think that we could have sales, chat. That's all I'll really be looking for today. I'm gonna sell off the 5-minute IFG nervous. I don't get nervous, but we say no, chat. How we all doing? How's everyone's morning been so far? Let me know how your morning's been. Hammerville, it's got a good tune, this one. AB.
No, AB and the B. Not Abra.
No, not Abracadabra. Bro, what the fuck is up with this camera? No.
I swear.
Two wins, one loss. Stopping here. What are you saying, Reality? Been a long time. Reality, drop me a text on TikTok or I don't know if you got my WhatsApp. I want to have your opinion on something.
No, look at us not.
You died, bro. I'm in an EU short from yesterday. Nice. Yeah, the EU short yesterday hit TP.
Yeah, I want to still better. It's just made put your face. This one is the body of the yacht.
What you look? Yeah, I'm looking for shorts, bro. Yeah, morning everyone. How are we all doing, man? Morning, Sam. Flash. How are we doing, brother? Womble. How are we doing? Deep focus. HD sound. Is that a good thing? HD sound. Is that good? Chat. If I do need to turn down the music or turn down the mic or anything, just let me know in the chat. Or if I do freeze, just let me know. If you try to touch my wrist, though. Battery exhausted. Did you just change it? So is that chat? I might just connect my actual phase cam for the sake of this thing. Yeah, what we're saying about okay, like it comes back on, but then it just comes back on, but then it will just die again. Anyway, chat. Also, I'm in a self with 5-minute IFEG missing ALG bias. Fair play. Yeah, I think a lot of people are in from ALG cells. Where are you guys' stop loss? I'm assuming at this higher.
39.
That's major high. Nah, bro, we still got a bearish bias, so we're just waiting for our sell setup to form. Any steady what? What you saying, Alex? How you doing, bro? What you saying, Flash? Big Diddy, less nervous, yeah.
What's that?
At least there's volume. At least there's volume in the market.
Yeah. No, Darwin X has put 150 grand. Investors, that's 20 people.
Yeah, okay. Chat. My camera keeps dying. I'm gonna put on the other webcam.
I'll put 5% on average every month.
Big trap. I got big. I'm not damn out million, right? Be of 100 van. Money look like saying rock and roll. Say he on the beat and he get that heat from me. Alright, chat. I'm gonna keep this webcam for now.
Are you gonna put 10 in it? What's that? You're gonna put 10 in that? Yeah, we put 10 grand in tomorrow.
Right, you are on the camera beds, by the way, mate. Oh shit, my bad. There we go. Chat, if I missed any comments, just let me know in the chat again. I'll get straight back to it. But yeah, shorts here do look lovely, boys. Shorts here do look really nice. Chat, who's in sales? Who's looking to get in sales? Your audio is off. It should be on now, bro. It should be working now. Should be working now. What tune this one is, eh?
Do you want Reli's WhatsApp
though? Yeah, I'm just gonna drop her a text about the bot. No, that's the calm. I just seen the text. Chat, who's in the U and who's getting in? Who's in the U and who's getting in, chat? Let me know. I'll just have a decently safe stop loss on this one though, chat. You don't really want to be risking it for just a stupid reason.
See, so they put fucking like 10 mil bounty on Thingy's head.
Baron Trump, yeah, it's crazy.
Mad, isn't it?
It's half too right. Like Trump's put a bounty on his kid there, so it's half fairs. Even though I do quite rate Baron Trump, I think he's a bit of a G. You can't just go slapping bounties on people. But yeah, I said that last night, and Lucia's like, "Fucking hell, what is it, GTA?" I was like, "No, you know GTA is built off of real life." Like,
is he alright? Do you think everything comes from like?
Yeah, that.
Fuck me.
GTA, by the way, got a mad nose for you, mate.
By the way, you know life could come before GTA knows. Fucking male.
Let me actually.
What's the best one at the moment?
EU shorts, yo, you guys trading NQ on futures? Yeah, bro, I'm trading futures, bro. EU shorts, yeah, a lot of people's in EU shorts, a lot of people looking for EU shorts. I do really like the idea of it. What we can hope as well is that after this rally, there's a lot of people that have missed this move and have still got buy limits here. So hopefully when we start moving down, we just take out all of these buyers, boys. NQ's not really slowing down. I had a good day yesterday on NQ, boys. I had this, basically on my futures account right now, I didn't really know that, I didn't read the rules properly, alright? So essentially where I'm at right now, I'll show you quickly where I'm at. Okay, so I made 1,500 on the first day. So I made 1,500 on the first day, which means for 30% consistency rule, I then actually need to make a total of 1,500 divided by 30 times 100. So I need to make a total of 5 grand in order to pass, even though the profit target is actually should be 3 grand. So I fucked myself there. So yeah, I basically got to make 5 grand. Yesterday I had this which made a grand, and then this which I risked less on, which made 500. So basically I made another grand and a half yesterday. But then I also had a few losers. I think I lost like basically another grand. So basically I'm sitting at currently sitting at 2k profit or something like that. What is it? Yeah, 1.8k profit. I should only need 3%, but obviously because I fucked up the consistency rule, I actually need more from that. So what basically the goal is now is I basically essentially, right, I need to risk. I now obviously, like I said, I need 5k, right? So I need another 3k, right? So therefore what I'm going to do is I'm going to full port a trade today, full port a trade tomorrow, so that should be plus 1,500, plus 1,500, then that'll be par. So basically I've got myself back to a point where I only need 2 days. So yeah, it's more about the consistency, or I'm finding trading on it very fucking easy. But you can see my profit target's like 9.5% rather than what it should actually be. So yeah, full porting today for that, and then tomorrow for that. I'm also going to be buying another account, which I'll be full porting today. So I'll be full porting 2 accounts today, New York session, and obviously trading EU this morning. There's repercussions.
Well, this one looks unreal. 73% in 2 years. I'm not saying this one. Yeah, that's actually not sure that was 7%. Oh, let's put a million.
What's the minimum? The minimum might be like a mil. How much does Darwin put in? A mil. Fuck me.
Yeah, 70% is assets under management, 1.5 mil. Return in the last 6 months, 22%. Return in the last 2 years, 73%.
Fucking hell.
Is there a minimum? Let's have a look.
It's probably bears.
Bro, I'll put fucking 50 grand in that.
Yeah, 100%. Bro, if Darwin have put a mil in it, then
Mate, I'll put 50 large in it. That's fucking insane.
you could probably build an AI Darwin X tracker, and then whatever Darwin invest in, it just reallocates you to that. That'd be so
do
sick.
that right now.
Minute 15 shifted. Sells are risky, boys, but that's what I'm saying. Have your stop loss a little bit higher if I was you.
This one's insane.
Just realised I fucked up my stop loss. Getting in sales here. See how these sales do, chat. As I said, we're quite well up from EU so far this week, so we can afford to take the risk. We obviously had that DTO trade very early on. I didn't get in that one, but then we did get in this one. If you was here on live and you run up this one with me, then dub. So yeah, we can afford to take the risk.
Yeah, bro. Because this Darwin entry, you know my FX book, isn't it? Yeah. This is literally the Darwin. This is the my FX book of boss.
Right, I'm in this one now, chat. So let's see how it goes. It's a risky one, I'll be honest, boys. So only copy me on this if you're willing to lose, because I'll be honest, it is a risky one.
Its worst day was 3.9%.
Worst day.
Worst day is just under 4%. Its best day is 8%. Worst month 4%, best month 13%. Yeah, the drawdown's on run. Max drawdown is 7%. That's fucking really good.
I just need to fucking.
Sorry, chat 2 seconds. I'm trying to get this com like unreal access to bots right now.
Is it trade?
I had some money in like stocks and shares. For
Oh yeah.
so I'm only typing that. I'm just waiting. We can't withdraw it until like 2:30.
Oh, that's we'll fucking. I'm gonna. Bro, here's the.
Should have withdrawn a bit more from it.
Yo, chat, we're with James today, one of the clients. Come say yo, James.
Don't get naked again.
What's happening, people?
With James. Yeah, James, it's been how long you been trading? It's been about a good few years now,
A
isn't it?
few years now, yeah.
You're doing it on the side, don't you? You got your got a
Yeah.
construction business, in you?
Construction business, full time, and then found about these boys a few years ago, and they've been nothing but golden all the way.
Yeah, nice, man.
Can't thank them enough.
Appreciate that, man. Bro, and I saw you leaving last time. I saw you step into that fuck off Range Rover. I was thinking, bro, it's a huge motor, that, isn't it?
I know.
But yeah, James has been with us for a while, boys. James is James got quite a good approach, to be fair. He's got multiple ways of earning money, and he's always looking for other ways, which is exactly how he should be. So he's not putting all his eggs in one basket with. He's got prop firm accounts. He's also got he's going for bots, live accounts. He's probably going to be going into a few futures accounts as well. Obviously, his business on the side, other investments. So exactly what we want our clients to be eventually, boys. But James is flying at the moment.
Giving it a good go.
What do you think of this tune as well, James?
Jesse Joe.
You know this one.
Ah,
It's a tune, innit?
What a fucking.
I've got to turn this up.
When I was a kid, I just finished the fittest bird in the world.
Yeah,
Very
me
much
too,
she had
yeah.
no hair.
Yeah.
I thought she was the fluffiest bird. Weird little kid I was.
I know. I always used to think Cheryl Cole.
Yeah, I had a few
Sure,
few wetties over a few mate.
Bro, I used to. I've said this on live before. I don't know why I overshared this on live. This album cover. What's the Cheryl Cole song? It goes something like "Fall, fall, fall. I'm gonna catch you," something like that. Even I'll fight for this love. I think it's this. Bro, I used to get. Oh no, there's like a thumbnail of it. This one here. I had this on my iPod. I used to think she was so fit on that thumbnail, and then this one as well.
just daydream about it.
This one as well. There's this bit here where Talisa has like a
Yeah.
tiny bit of tit out. I used to find that one so.
Compare it to gold spot.
Someone called me an AI. Apparently,
Planted by Richesse. AI James. James, just hit a little Dougie just so they know you're not AI. What actually is a Dougie? Yeah, I don't know. Let me Google it. Hopefully not. Hopefully not. Go on, mate. Show him again.
What, a Dougie?
Yeah, go
Do
on.
it again.
It's the fucking head. It's the head swaying needed. How do you spell it? Is it Dougie as in the guy, like Doug?
What's the Dougie?
Teach me how to Dougie. Teach me how to Dougie.
The Dougie. There it is, look. Oh, it's that, bro.
Is it?
That's what a Dougie is, bro.
Isn't it like this thing? Like the
No,
little...
it's this thing, bro.
It's the
No, this is Mate's live learning how to Dougie. Oh, that thing, yeah, lads.
That's it.
I'm gonna learn that by the end of the day.
We walking out here doing it.
Yeah, this is it. This is it.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Oh, bro, it's the one that the security guard does.
Oh yeah, what the black.
Yeah, and it goes.
black
Doo,
guy.
doo, 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 doo. It actually goes. Hang on, hang on.
Bear well.
No.
I better knows a Dougie now. I'm gonna learn as a Dougie.
Chat 2 secs. This is
Left, left.
That's too much. What's going on?
how do you spell? How do you? Oh yeah, this guy.
Oh, if we went up, bit like that.
No, it is.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
No, it is. It is.
Oh, it is.
Oh, is he?
He just hits a madness, doesn't he?
I think
This
it
other
is.
one, yeah, it's not that one. He goes over to him. Yeah, him. This went viral, didn't it?
Yo, bro's actually got a cake.
He hit that.
Oh yeah, wait. This is gonna be added to the soundboard, so I can just click it and bring this video up.
Bro, I'm learning the Dougie thing. I've got better events, so I'm going to be hitting just the Dougie the whole event.
The whole
The
time.
whole time it's straight Dougies, man.
For fuck's sake, lads hitting emotes on live. Calvin, mate, watch yourself.
Calvin and Chipmunks.
Calvin Barretto. Can you explain the session time in UTC +1? Just when his Asia starts and when it ends. London starts and ends, please, man. I'm going to have to gatekeep that, to be brutally honest. Well, apart, no, I'm joking, bro. So for me, Asia starts at 1 and ends at 7. The reason why it ends at 7 is because that's when the European Central Bank opens in Frankfurt, Germany. Now, Frankfurt, Germany, if you don't know how Europe time zone works, if you're from Asia or Africa or something, basically the UK is like an hour behind every other country. So open for like UK time, obviously our open is 8 a.m. But Germany, France, Spain, Italy, all these countries open at 7 a.m. because they're an hour in front. So 7 a.m. is when 7 a.m., which is Germany's 8 a.m. European Central Bank opens in Frankfurt, Germany. That's 7 right here, where the session ends. 1 a.m. it starts. London starts at 8, as I said, because European Open, Central Bank Open at 7, London Open at 8. So that's why you got this sort of area here, where we say European Central Bank opens at 7. So that really signifies the end of Asia. But then 8 a.m. when London opens as well, that is the real true open. Well, not the true open, but the real open. And then, and then London goes all the way through till 12. Or, well, depends what some people call it 1, some people call it 12. I personally call it 12. Yeah. It's not about the bubbling or the cha-ching. You just want to make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. Wait, she rhymed dance with tag. Let the world dance. Forget about the price tag.
Illiterate fucking shit.
Oh, this is such a tune.
But everyone's actually got a price.
It seems that way, doesn't it? It seems like everyone's got a price. I wonder how they sleep at night.
Shakespeare or Jesse Chase?
Well, this is Shakespeare.
Wow, wow, look at this box code. Look at this box code.
Goy slop. The Goy slop bot.
I don't want to go to hell because I'm a piece of shit.
What's that
Ain't
book called?
gonna fucking tell. It don't make sense going to heaven with the goody dressed in white on black.
They've done that on purpose, haven't they?
I'm getting my dick wet. I wanna talk to shoot. I've been considered as the worst. Even shitting on her chest.
Mate.
Alright.
Let me just. Can you quickly send a voice note, chat? I'll send it. It's calm. I'll do it after.
With tears come to my eyes.
Oh, it's back to the old camera chat.
Nah, chill. Slip my wrist and this bullshit. I always fucking go to end. Stress is building up, I can't believe suicides on my fucking mind. I wanna leave, I swear to God, I feel like death is fucking calling me. Nah, you wouldn't understand. Talk to me, please. You see, it's kinda like
Looks like a repeat of last week. DXY. Also tag 50%, so personally I will look for longs. How comes you're looking for longs, bro? Because we tag 50% of the DXY. Whereabouts? 50% of what, bro? Oh, where? Yeah, of what, bro? This fair value?
matter of fact, I'm sick of talking.
Chat, if we really look at the range as a whole, we are really discounted in the range.
Whoa, bro.
Hey, big.
Holy fuck. This was looking it up right.
Mate,
I'm sorry.
don't care if it's done 1,000,000% in a day for the last 85 years. You've said the F word, and we've established it ain't on.
Where's my swear silently?
That's fine. That's fine. Did you just flip me off? These days, price is just sniper. These days, price. What do you mean? Oh, what, you got a sniper? Not really, bro. I mean, bro, this is just ALG. Yesterday was just DTO. Thing is, a lot of people are really confused at these markets. Chat, what do I tell you over and over again? Just trade ALG and DTO with a higher time frame bias. With this one, right? What's the bias? We're bearish, okay? We're bearish. We look at our internal, external. With top tap, we got our bottom here, we got our top here. We need to retrace into at least 50%. Very simple stuff. So we're bearish to at least 50%. What do? We either look for trades off the DTO or off the Asia high. So what have I done here? I've waited for the Asia high. I've been very disciplined throughout all of this. Not getting in, not getting in. At this point, we've swept the Asia high. Had our inversion. So we sell down to the low. Very simple, chat. And yesterday was just a DTO trade as well. We had price, the DTO was like here. We had price move away from the DTO, come back into it. That's your first sell. Then your re-entry when we rebalance the leg. That's your second sell, which we had on live. This one we had in the pre-London with the members. That was two bangers just trading the DTO. And then today, trading the ALG. So if it's stop losses, it's stop losses. Either way, ALG and DTO concepts are still working. How come you didn't short off the DTO? I just wanted to look for confirmation really, bro, but there wasn't any good confirmation to actually look for. GU was also looking nowhere near as nice, and DXY was also not looking nice either. Chad, genuine question. If this ain't love, then why does it feel so good?
Are you Michelangelo? No,
I can paint. I can draw as well. You've seen me draw. You know I can draw.
Yeah.
Want me to draw something for you quickly now? This is how quick I can draw stuff.
So, no cock or ball. Okay. Well, really?
It's a fish smoking a spliff.
What's that?
What?
What's that? Is that Van Gogh or what?
Oh, Van Gogh. You want me to draw Van Gogh's best ever
Gogh.
painting in the space of about 2 seconds? All right. Here's the vase.
Why does it feel so good though, Lewis?
And there you go.
That's drip. That's actually hard.
Hang on.
Considering you've got hard. And aim.
I don't have Aiden Ross.
But no.
I am Aiden Ross. Why did school teach me about this painting so much? Chad, did anyone else like intensely get taught about this fucking painting? Mate, they might be on the off chance that it's the only person in Birmingham that isn't a fraudster. Look, that probably took him at least a year. That took me 30 seconds.
Yours is arguably better.
And I'm currently in shorts while winning. Has Van Gogh ever caught shorts? chopped his fucking ear off. He ain't got a psychology for love nor money. Literally one of the... Huh?
Did he cut it off?
Yeah, he cut it off.
Oh, thick little...
Apparently that's not entirely true though. Which really pissed me off. My mum went to Amsterdam the other day and they have the Van Gogh Museum, innit?
What is it?
And I was like, oh yeah, he cut his ear off. She was like, nah, it's not really true.
It's not really true, or it's just...
It's like a myth.
Mate.
I was sure they told... I can't lie, that painting is some BS, bruv. Can we talk about blue... Can we talk about... Can we get blue goo next to that? That's absolutely fine, Honey Jam.
Ordering it.
Fuck it, I'm ordering it. I'm ordering blue goo right now. You guys have asked for it and it's...
Doubling up then, though.
Mate, order a crate. Oh, mate, did you see the video he put on the other day? He had like a fucking barrel load of it.
Oh, what, in the white big tub?
Yeah, a massive tub of it.
Blue goo.
That blue goo's good stuff. Sorry, forget the blue goo out there. Gooey gummies. Can I just put a review? Let me put a review.
It makes it look so painful to eat.
Write a review, 5-star.
Oh, actually, can you try a bit of snout with it? Please, boo.
Yeah, I'm just gonna put my review of Boo Goo.
Fucking hell, it's receipts just everywhere.
Don't look like Super Dude Blue.
Fucking hell, sorry, would continue
Sorry.
to strain my shit out of my eyes.
Got me fucking pinging heavy stuff, that Blue Goo.
Fucking Gary, how about a bit of blue gooey? Is it Gooey Louie, in it? You? Your name? Full name? Go up? No, I put first name Gooey, last name Louie. Email gooeylouie@gooeylou.com. at goo.com.
Gooeycream@gmail.com.
Oh my days, it's broken. We saw a broke yesterday called Gooey Pro. Bro, I'm not even lying to you, innit? Swear down. Look. It's a trading look.
Bit of that Blue Goo chat, you can't go wrong with that.
Come up with that.
Isn't it?
Actually, let's review it as Peter Till.
That went gooey.
People who think it's us, we take it.
Peter Till. Is that how you spell Peter Till, or is it?
Peter Till, what's going on?
Oh wait. So is that going to be on the homepage now? Oh, it is. Look at the homepage.
What is it?
What?
That's my review.
What's it say?
Got me fucking pinging every stuff that Blue Goo. I got a Kool-Aid pineapple pots. Fucking hell, what?
That's so funny.
Websites this should be taken down.
You can just-
How unhealthy is that? I know, how unhealthy is this website?
Why even eat a fruit? Just eat some. Look at it. That's
Isn't
clearly AI as well.
Yeah, trust. No way it drips that perfectly. No
Just look at
pineapple
it
is
as well,
perfectly cut like that.
Look, cut with a fucking angle grinder.
Didn't it? Perfectly cut with a fucking chainsaw. Chamoy, they look fucking revolting, them fucking
Fuck, I'm the right review.
So, what? Every stuff that, those peach wings? Every year that peach stuff.
Evie sorted me right out for Creamfields. Sorry, chat, this is important.
So, if I hide in my arse for Creamfields, will they stay fully intact?
You just do the name as
Smalls. Big stuff.
no, I'll call it.
Clange. Louis, Quintin. Do you remember that thing?
Yeah, that was
Why
Joe.
is this song going to tell me about some guy's life story? Yeah, Jamie Jack. That's gonna be hard.
Alright, chat, we're over a bag up right now. See if our review's there, chat. Oh, bro, look at some of this stuff. It looks like poo, mate.
Chamoy gushers, bro. What's chamoy?
It's like that spicy shit the Mexicans eat. They like spicy. Where's our one?
Addicted. Fucking suit yourself.
Big
That'd be
Q.
something right out for cream. So appetite, all my gear for appetite sorted.
That's the photo of it.
Delicious. That looks as delicious as foreskin. What do you mean delicious?
Looks fuck all like the photo. as well.
Mate, fucking hell.
That was honestly to die for. That
To
fucking.
die for, it's fucking gruesome. The chuck me a little grab. Fuck!
Is there any fundamental alignment because of the US-Iran war? Nah, bro, not on this trade. I'll be honest, mate. Is there anything to give on the US-Iran war?
Actually, we did just say this morning. Pakistan said that talks are going well. But I mean, again, how many times have we heard that, boys? The market isn't reacting off anything off headline. It's all reacting off macroeconomics, which is realistically at the moment fading the euro. The market don't care about this war anymore. Unless there's fucking full-blown attacks going on or full-on peace.
Yeah, unless something actually's come out, then people just like the markets are just fading anything. Like they don't believe anything Trump says, anything Iran says. Unless fairy tales come true. But yeah, not really. Say teal with a lisp. Hill. Sill. No. DTO and ALG apply to NQ. Yeah, bro, but I've more, to be honest, been trading the New York session, so we don't really trade that same way. But you can still trade it. You can still trade it, bro. Is Mace at the same position? I don't think Mace is in, bro. I'll be honest. I don't think he's in. I don't think he is in, chat. I also haven't played this in ages, chat. So we might give it a go. Yeah, chat, what are you guys looking at, though? Any other pairs you guys are looking at? Yo, Lou, you think we'll be sweeping the current high before going lower? We might do, bro. I mean, I just live execution, basically, because I weren't sure if we would go a bit higher or consolidate and sweep or what we'd do. But I do think the general direction should be bearish. So that's basically the idea. But yeah, as I said, I did leave a bit of a gap in the stop loss for that reason. It would have been a 3 pip stop. I widened it to 7, so basically over doubled it, which I think was a smart idea, but we will see, boys, in hindsight. Right, chat. Let's chat. I need you guys to be locked in, because the better we get at Geo, the better you get at trading. There's literally a direct correlation. It's all about thinking on your feet. So you guys need to lock in. Decent. Is the blue line the weekly trope? Nah, bro, that's my order block on the 4 hour. So you can see we've been nicely playing off these order blocks and these fair value gaps. So if we go zoom in on this here, you can see we've got this order block here, which we've tapped into, and then obviously broke structure. So tapped into our order block, and then broke structure. So we've got another order block just here. You can see that was the one that actually mitigated the other one, so we know it actually completed an objective. So we're looking at the same thing to happen there, basically. If you look, we're also having decently forming CRT right now as well. Would you love me when the world is crashing up? Should be up decently right now. 1.5 Bandinis. 1.8. Yeah, and we've also got these fair value gaps here that we've been filling. So you can see the fair value gap there. You can see it actually better on the DXY. The DXY is not really filling the order blocks, but it does have the fair value gap. So you can see price distributed away, and then came back, filled this 4 hour imbalance, continued higher, and now we've just filled this 4 hour imbalance here. So again, we should push higher off that. So rather than the order blocks, we've just got the fair value gaps on DXY. So they're the fair values. Then on EU, obviously, like we said, here are the order blocks. There and there. We are, yeah, we're doing really decently in this right now, chat. I mean, like I said, we're only up about 1%. We could be up a decent amount more, to be honest. We could be up 2% or even more, maybe. Yeah, yeah, we could be up near enough 2.5%, but like I said, I wanted to take that precaution by having my stop loss where it was. Got a nice 4 hour CRT if this can hold, that is. Obviously want price to remain below this low, which is a tall order, but I think we could maybe do it. Let me mark out the actual 4 hour candles just so we can get a bit of an idea of where we need price to come into. Right, so I think here is probably the best. Yeah, so that's nice. So what we should hopefully have is an open, low, high, close. So you can see in this previous candle, we had the manipulation low here. We had the open, low, high, open, low, high, close. And you can see we manipulated this. So open, low, manipulation, high, close. With this one, we've had an open, high, manipulated the high. Hopefully we have a low, and then close. That'll be perfect. But yeah, we're just going to be monitoring this one as we go, chat. It's actually near enough halfway to TP right now, which is beautiful stuff. There's obviously 7 pip stop loss with a near enough, 20 pip basically TP. Just at that 4 hour low. So yeah, kind of doing well right now. So let's just keep holding this chat and keep seeing where it goes. Don't you love me when the world is crashing all around? But yeah, chat, let me know if you guys are in the same trade or if you're looking at anything else. This is more rural France. Where's Bordeaux? It's Bordeaux a lot of the time. I'll just go Paris. It's probably like here though. Don't ignore me. Was that my bugging, or was that not all French? Okay. You got another Lucid to try and run up again. Yeah, bro. I've got this account here, which I'm gonna be full porting. So on this account, basically how this account works on futures, I made 1.5 and then made 1.5 again and then lost $1,000. Well, technically I made 1.5, lost $1,000 and made 1.5. I didn't realise when I did this there was a 30% consistency rule. So basically the profit target's only 3k. So I would have hit that, but because the consistency rule, it means one trade can only be 30% of the profits, which if you do the maths means I need to make a total of 5k in order to pass. So yeah, currently I'm on 2k. So I basically need to, my max drawdown as well is 4%. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to risk 4%, well, 4%, well really 3% to make 3%, and then 3% to make 3% again. So basically 3k to, sorry, 1.5k to make 1.5k, and then 1.5k to make 1.5k, and that will pass. So I only need 2 full port days, so 1 full port, 2 full port, and then I'll be funded on that. And then I've also got another futures account which I'm going to buy, which I'm also going to be full porting as well. So I will have these two, well, this one that I'm going to be trying to score today, and then I'll also be full porting the other one where I'll be trying to make 1,500. Yeah, this one's with My Funded Futures. I do have a code with these guys, code Richesse, if you want to get funded with them. But I'm going to be going with Lucid initially just because they do have the... for consistency, by the way, just do your biggest day divided by 0.3 if 30%. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I know, yeah. It's the easiest way to do it. That's what I always tell people. It's the easiest way to do it. Just divide it by 3 and times it by 100. Or whatever the consistency, say it's a 40% consistency rule. Take your biggest trade, or say it's 30% like this. Take your biggest trade. Divide by the consistency rule times by 100. So divide by 30 will give you whatever it is. I think math's actually quite easy for that, isn't it? 50? Yeah, 50, isn't it? Yeah, which gives you 50. And then times by 100 equals 5,000. So just divide by the consistency rule times by 100. If any of you don't know how to work out your consistency rule. Nice drop there. Woo. Lovely drop there. What are we up now? 2.2 on the day. Okay, just reversed. So yeah, hopefully we've made the top wick of the day. I mean, we've already made, so day opened, we made a wick, and now we've just taken liquidity above that wick again. So we should just have a fucking bearish day now. We should have a bearish day, to be honest. It looks like it's been an open, high, low, close. Yeah, I think I'm pretty confident on this. I really like the way the wick's formed. We formed the top wick of the day, so this is the open. So this means this was the wick initially. We've then taken liquidity above the current wick of the day to make this the daily wick. And now hopefully the candle can start flipping bearish. And then we'll just hold to the close basically. Or to our TP, whichever comes first. Useless youths giving me useless advice what to do in my life. Are you going to hold the trade till TP? Yeah, bro. Just got to wait for approval on this, then 8 $50 days request the next one. Oh, wait. On my 50k Apex PA, my balance is 57k. Run it up enough to lock in 2 max 2k payouts. Nice, bro. Yeah, isn't on that one you can only get paid out 50% of what you've got in? Isn't that how it works? Lou, did you go uni? I dropped out of uni, bro. What are you seeing on gold? Well, I haven't actually looked at gold. I'll have a look at gold in a sec, bro. What are you saying? And I'll have a look at it. Are you going to hold the trade to TP? Yeah, bro. Why not holding lower? I always aim for the Asia low, bro, or the London low. Bro, why wouldn't you, bro, wouldn't this be a retest on the DTO? If you was bullish, then yeah, this is the DCO, by the way. The DTO's a bit lower. The DTO's here. DCO's the candle open. But yeah, if you was bullish, this would probably be a point you'd be, well, not here, but here we'll be looking at a point to buy. We've got this fair value gap just above the DTO. So yeah, you'd be looking to buy here if you was bullish. I'm personally not bullish, so hence the sells. What a tune, chat. What a tune. Dubs in the chat if you rate this song. Els if you think you're mature. You're the GOAT, bro. We love you. Appreciate you, brother. Appreciate you, bro. Critically. You're up and you're down. You're wrong when it's right. You're black when... Holy execution, chat. Wow, let me show you this. Chat, look at that execution, boy. Focus up. Why ain't it focusing? There you go. Naughty that, innit? Naughty. W tune, unreal tune. Come on, boys. So, wait, let me read these rules of these futures. Yeah, by the way, chat, I started futures. If you're new to the stream or if you ain't watched a few days, I am new to futures. I'm new to futures, boys. I only started trading them last week, and I'm not going to lie, they're so fucking easy. Oh, I thought I just ended the stream. But yeah, a lot of people have been telling me the rules, so I'm just trying to gain some bit more knowledge on the accounts themselves, because the trading's not an issue, boys. Like, even yesterday, it was so easy, bro. So easy, chat. Like, what I mean about NQ being easy is, I'll show you. All my FX traders will be able to relate to this. This trade I took right here on NQ yesterday. You go back. I feel like everyone knows on FX this order block is just too obvious. It just doesn't hold. This order block's just too bait.
If this is FX, this just doesn't like FX. There's literally no way you could do this. It will fail. The order block's too obvious. It would just fail. But you can see with NQ, bro, it's so easy. It's so easy. It's ridiculous. My TP was at the 10 a.m. Open, which is like I said. So the 10 a.m. Open chat is how the DTO acts. So the exact way I trade the DTO is basically how I trade with the 10 a.m. So as you can see, we look for price to trade away from it, come back to it, etc., etc. Obviously, if you're selling, you want to sell above. If you're buying, you want to buy below. I did have this 1-to-1 just to make me a fat bit of profit. I full ported this. As I said, my consistency rule means I can't make more than 1.5 a day. So what I actually did with this one is I made, where are we? Is this one was basically I risked £1,000 to make £1,000, so I made £1,000 there, and then this one here, or it was even more. I think it was like 1.2. And then I thought, right, I can still make an extra $3 bills, so let me just risk. I think I risked like $80 on this or some shit to make 350. So I would, yeah, I risked like $80 to make like or it might have even been 300. I can't remember. So another 300 off that. So I hit my max. That was this day here. This other day was just one trade. Glock in his Louis pouch.
Running it, Lou.
We're running like Usain Bolt, mate.
What about Gatlin?
Gatlin, he's been overtaken, mate. That's GU pissing around. Usain Bolt, new day, new age, new GOAT in town, and his name is Euro US fucking D. Hopefully we can retest the DCO. We're coming below the daily open now, so we should be able to just free fall. Oh, look at that candle.
Look. Sorry, Mark. What the fuck?
You've been trolled.
You chewed it on, didn't you? The same, bro.
I'm sitting there just like, what?
Yeah, I pay for EU futures, by the way. You've always been like 10 minutes behind. Just joined up in the same trade. Lovely, Charlie. Hey, Charlie, I'll give you a call after this, brother. I know you was at work, weren't you? Is this with Alpha Futures? No, this is with Alpha Capital Group. Normal account, bro. Is that the POW model? Not really, bro. I just know about 10 a.m. I knew that POW traded 10. Oh, I need to get that.
Oh, yeah.
Are you saying Pam?
Are you taking over the pen?
POW! I haven't had a carb since 08.
You gonna touch this shit?
Go to punch me right now.
Yeah.
Go and punch me right in the face.
Did we just become best friends? We could literally get the whole film on that soundboard and it just would be hilarious. What a tune. Chat, what a tune. What a tune. If you're too young for this one in the chat, you're too young for trading. Yeah, just call me whenever, bro. See, nothing sweet, bro. Mega dump. Why did I read that as mega night?
It's Chippy.
Chippy?
It's a Chippy.
No. This is Dappy. Dappy. Dapper. Rather dapper, that Dappy, lad. Right, we're at the DTO right now, chat. Hopefully we can cream past it. Just like the Blue Goose sorted us right out of Creamfields. Chat, who was at Creamfields? Like a statue. Who was at Creamfields, and do you normally go to events named after seamen?
Yeah, I see. See everyone shooting their lip from a low blue girl.
Someone up there from
Fucking
the
hell.
on the back of Blue.
That Blue Goose fucking sent me dopey. That Blue Goose sent me Barney, lad.
See a video we posted where his dog jumped in that room.
Oh yeah, so posted yesterday, didn't we?
He's like, no, it's boss, what the fuck?
Chat, that execution, someone should give me
A ripple.
What do you want, Luke?
a ripple. was so confused.
This one's
Chat, read it and weep. Read it and weep. Are you gonna hold for the 50% of the 4-hour equilibrium? Nah, bro. I'm gonna hold to a London low where my where my TP is. Yeah, I'm gonna hold to the CRT low, bro. There's a 4-hour CRT as well. I mean, we got fucking ages left of the candle, but Bungie gets a let's do Clash Royale. How low do you think we can go, bro? If it's a bearish day, we could go fucking very far down. We could even see the news being priced in this morning, to be honest, or like for the rest of the day. Ready? What country's that? So annoying, bro. I used to know this. New Zealand, Scotland or America? Well, it's not Scotland. New Zealand or America? Mate, it's New Zealand or America. First fault.
New Zealand.
Inshallah. It's fucking Canada. Why do people act like Canada's a real place as well? Like Canada actually exists.
Spot in the last 2 years,
Fucking hell, that's insane.
Or if the S&P and gold in the last 2 years.
Where the heck?
Bro, my gold in the last 2 years has been an absolute fucking gold mine.
Can you check the end, broski? No worries, bro. How did we do yesterday? We sell off in the end? Yeah. Is that... Chat. Did I tell you? I said, wait for the eye to be swept and then sell. What happened? The eye was swept. Okay. What a tune this is. And we sold off, chat. So, how did that do on EJ? Wow, we didn't. Yeah, so again, bro, I'd just be bullish on it, and obviously bearish on the end basket. We've still got this low to break, bro, so we should come down and break this low realistically. Telling me to make some crowd music. Bitch, I'm a pop star drug user. They too focused on what I'm doing. I got rich to totally think I'm a good influence. I'm alright. Oh, chat, another dump.
Is it a gig up or?
It's not a giga, but it might be a. Or it might even be a. Chat, we running. Everyone double tap the screen, boys. Everyone, well, it's pretty gonna do fuck all on YouTube. Everyone drop a like on the stream, boys. To be fair, if you double tap on YouTube, you'll probably actually rewind the stream and make it.
You better forward it quick. What's my name?
Funny is it, lads?
Quite funny.
Why is the sound of a fart so funny?
Yeah, bro, it's bare annoying.
Have you seen that video, right? Let's try this, bro. It's actually impossible. There's this thing, right, and it's just a YouTube video, right, of just farts going over and over again. And you just gotta watch it but not laugh, and it is genuinely like impossible to not like smile. Let me try to find it. Try to find it.
Yeah. It's pretty nice. Nice car, isn't it?
Right, try not to laugh at this one.
Is it a mortgage you'll go for?
Yeah. Yeah, it's quite
It's bare nice, bro.
3-bedroom, 3-bathroom.
Hey, 3 bathroom. You can shit in every bathroom. This is mine.
Try not to laugh at this. Ready?
Lose that one.
Oh,
That's not like trumpet.
Doing pretty well here, Mace. Not getting to you. Do you remember doing armpit farts as a kid? I do it to this day, mate.
As a kid, try it as an adult. Oh my god.
Okay. That's fucking hilarious. I know no one else finds that funny.
2017, 2016, December. 300% in like 6 years.
Ugh.
Is that average a year?
50% a year.
How is the trading mentor watching fart sounds on YouTube?
4% a month.
To be fair, mate, something's just funny no matter who you are. Farting's one of those things, isn't it, really?
Oh my god, this boy is insane.
You get to focus on that.
Blue, look at this.
That's it.
Yeah, bro, it's actually insane. Best position 5th on Darwin AI's allocation pool. 5 years worth of data, 300%. Data from 2016, 300%, 50% average a year, 4% average a month. 19 mils invested capital.
Oh, and it's got
Assets under management, 16
What's
mils.
the minimum you can bang in? I've already got an account with it. Send the links to Chloe.
That might be one of the best odds I've ever fucking seen.
Red folder news at 1:15 and 3. It's going to reverse low. It's not going to reverse. Have some positivity. Have some positivity. I'm buying here. Let's see. Fair play. We are at the point where I said if you was a buyer in this market, you'd look to buy. Never turn my back on home. Right, yeah, we are rejecting off the DTO currently for the DXY. And we are at the OTE as well, so we could see reversals here, chat, to be fair. If we manage to get past this point, chat, then we will be flying to the downside. We're at the most dangerous point for sales right now. We've got, obviously, we're at the OTE, which is ideal for sales. We're at the DTO, which is ideal for sales. And we are at this 5-minute order block here, which is also ideal for sales. So, at this point, chat, we just got to let it run. We're at our main test. If we break past this, then we should just absolutely fly. Yeah, again, there's probably going to be quite a lot of people with buyers here. So we're just hoping we can induce a bit, but then just stop them all out. The fact we've broken below the daily open, pretty good sign.
That's piss. That ain't piss. I'm not drinking.
Could you explain why you didn't take the DTO shorts? I don't get why. Because the price actually just weren't good at that point, bro. Just weren't good. If you look at where the DXY was at that point as well, it just weren't great. You could tell it needed to come to the Asia low or the Asia high on EU. Plus we had our POY up here, which was our order block we wanted to get tapped into. And if you did take sales there, it's nothing like majorly wrong with it. It's just an unlucky one. I can understand why. There was an IFEG as well, so you don't be too hard on yourself, bro. It's just my own judgment.
Some of them can't actually invest in, some of them are like private.
Oh, really?
On my days, have you seen that guy who claims to make like 30% a month with his AI? And he just fucking hawks people down.
That's dreadful. How's that top fucking 13th? Jesus Christ. It's just because of the month. The month is actually very good.
What's he called? His name's like Ibrahim or something.
It's got a lot of data. It's just not good.
Where is it? Where is this fucking guy? Oh, this guy. Sharif. This guy. fucking ridiculous.
I've seen that TikTok.
Bro,
This has got 8+ years of real.
Trying to tell that kid.
because we're currently doing over 30% a month.
Oh, so you're literally the best in the world at everything.
Isn't it? No.
What do you boys do? If you don't mind me asking, what do you do? College. You're at college, yeah? What are you studying?
Is that a fucking football manager?
I am.
It sounds like him, innit? Yeah, that's
Sounds
it.
like him, bro.
Your kids going to?
Bear does. Mark
Wow.
White, innit? Mark White, yeah.
Yeah, that's
Do
it.
you know what? We've actually got fully automated AI trading systems. They're doing around 30% a month. Our best month was 47.5%. We've pulled in just over £1 million in accounts connected to our technology, yeah, in the last couple of months. Yeah? Do you actually trade for yourself at the moment? Really? Are you starting to look into that space and actually trade? You actually just
Chat, 30% a month is... The guy would be probably the richest man in the world within the space of about 3-4 years. Can you look at gold, fam? No worries, fam. No worries, brother. Let's have a look at gold right now. To be fair, gold does look like we could be coming down a little bit. Did sweep that low nicely yesterday and had them nice buyers. To be fair, that was sells down to that low, weren't it? Yeah. There was actually 2 trades, weren't there? Because there was another one up there. Yeah, I would personally be bearish on gold for a short term, just because we've seen a bit of manipulation here. You can see we've swept the higher here. And then we've also swept the low here. To be fair, it looks more like a sweep than a break. So, you know what? This does look more bullish, to be honest. Yeah, buyers, bro. Just buyers. If we print this fair value gap, then we've manipulated buyers, manipulated sellers, so yeah, we are really looking good. Hopefully we can flip this daily candle. Day trade, night trade, whatever. That's got to be the goated video, to be fair. How are actually people like that? Have you seen that, James? The night trade.
Nice or something.
No, the night trade. Oh, some guy. This guy goes around Miami like interviewing trading larpers, and they ask him what he does. He goes, "I'm a trader," and he's like, "Oh, what do you trade?" And he's like, "Oh, I can't put you on all of that. I can't put you on that." And he goes, "Oh, so do you day trade then?" He goes, "Yeah, day trade, night trade." And he goes, "What do you trade?" He goes, "All sorts, gas stations."
What?
I ain't got a clue.
Isn't it?
Night trade.
But there's been a larper, then there's fucking hell. If you googled like day trading or Google trading, you are betting EU also will pump. No, I want it to go down, bro. Gold's not really that correlated to the DXY as EU and GU is. Gold's got its own values, it's got its own reasons why capital rotates into it. Not exactly like EU and GU. Okay, we didn't actually make a fair value gap, so you'd probably... Now let's get in on this 1 minute.
Thinking about doing this one.
Huh?
Thinking about doing this one.
Yeah, let's see if I can actually connect to that. 'Cause this is a joke. top 20 divers are the highest number of investors. It's got like the most money for investors. These stats are a joke.
Let's let this play, chat. We've got a bullish fair value gap, so we'll see if this gets filled and moved. Yeah. What are we thinking on a minute? Wow, look what the guy's called. No. It's like no, shouldn't it? Like no. It's what I call no, no. If we can invert this, chat, that's crazy. What we saying though, boys? What we saying? Gold to 4555 and silver to 66.5 this week. Sorry, just really wanted to use that sound. I've got no idea if that's a good shout. Oh, you're saying really bearish. A lot of people have been like massively bullish on pretty much all assets. I've seen like a massive influx in just huge bullishness on assets. Gold specifically, I started seeing it a few weeks ago. Of people saying they're just putting it all in. NQ as well, I see people saying it's going all-time highs. Obviously, that will happen at one point. But NQ, apparently, people want to go all-time highs. Gold people want to go all-time highs. And then even stuff like Bitcoin and Sol. Yeah, even Bitcoin's popping, to be fair. Fuck me. Alright, chat, what did I say? When did I say the bull run will start? I've been telling you guys it will be. Chat, if you just listen to me for Bitcoin, you actually would have actually done quite well. Obviously, I don't really trade Bitcoin at all, but if you've been a loyal watcher, loyal viewer, you know my point on gold. Bitcoin, sorry. Bitcoin is time-based, okay? Bitcoin is purely and utterly time-based. So if you look, right, from the high to the low, low to the high, right?
It's literally on the website, it's the best one.
Right, let me show you something on Bitcoin. For all you Bitcoin investors, right? This is why I've said it's going to be bearish until a certain date.
11 years, 130%.
Is that... What is this? So you can see it took 1,065 days to make from the low to the high. And from the high to the low, 365. So remember those numbers. From low to the high, 1,065. High to the low, 365. Okay, now let's look at the next leg.
2025 to now. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
Oh, wait.
12, 24,
Turn on the low.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, now look at this next. So this one took 1,065 days, and then 365, 1,065 days again, or 1,066. How long do you think the drawdown's going to be for? Take a wild guess. How long's the drawdown going to be for?
40 months of data.
Oh, that's a volume indicator.
Just under 11 years.
High to the low, 365 days. So 1,065 high, 365 low. 1,065 high, 365 low. How long do you reckon it took to top out again?
This one you can like,
Take a wild guess, chat. Take a wild guess. 1,065 days.
you can add more to it.
1,065 days. So how long am I going to be waiting till I buy again? That's right, 365 days. So we go from the high to the low and wait. This is 365 days right here. Make sure it's perfectly tagged onto the high. So this Yeah, so I'm going to be buying Bitcoin on the 5th of October. That's when I think we're going to bottom out. I think we're going to have one push and then we're going to have one final dump that's going to invoke fear. Big dump, and then that's when we're going to see price pump to all-time high. And again, it will probably take about 3 years to actually make that all-time high. Bitcoin's weird. Bitcoin's bull market lasts like way longer than the recovery phase. Oh, that's just happened again. Fucking monster in the eye. Oh, mate, that's actually decently blurred your vision. Alright, let's see if we invert this 5 minute and then break this low, chat. Bro, crack the codes. Come on. Clean short. Yes, sir. Lou, is there a way you can trade your strategies as set and forget? Unfortunately, can't sit there on the screens. Yeah, Darren, definitely, bro. Get in the mentorship. We have a video specifically on that if you work and trade. Because remember, I was working and trading where I couldn't go on the charts all the time when I first started to become profitable. So clean short. Appreciate you, bro. I personally don't see indices going to all-time high anytime soon. August and September is the start of the bearish seasonal tendencies as institutional capital cycles reset for them. Yeah, but bro, what we always see is gold pump up in Q4. We always see gold pump in Q4. And like I said, that coincides with when we want Bitcoin to pump as well. So I do think Q4 is going to be good for assets. NQ, I mean, that's got a lot of other stuff relying on it. It's not so much of just an asset, is it? There's actually certain things that matter. But where gold and Bitcoin are just assets, realistically, I can see us getting some decent rotation into there. But really, we need a bullish stock market for there even to be rotation into Bitcoin properly. Yeah, we do want to close below this though, chat. We'll see what it did. Yeah, so again, so we are getting sales off of this DTO point. We then create a fair value gap. So we can at least invert the fair value gap. As I said, this is the biggest.
Who would make a version of this song like this?
It's the most German song of all time.
So German. Who makes this? Is like fucking
Yeah,
drum and
fucking
bass
dance,
shit.
drum and
And
bass,
this
yeah.
stand, this stand?
Yeah. Hopefully we get the inversion, chat, and then we hopefully are safe to just run past this low. Like I said, this is by far the biggest test for ourselves. As I said, main reason being on DXY. I say as I said a lot, but it's because I do repeat myself quite a bit. So if we look at our actual range from here to here, we've got the OTE here, which is our optimal point for sells. So we've obviously got that. We've also got the DTO, which is our reversal point, which we've just tapped into. So we've got that as well. And obviously we've got a reaction off of it as well, which again isn't really great. And finally we've got this order block. So the main things being the main thing being the OTE, DTO, and the order block. We have just inverted it though, so hopefully we can be good to just cream past this now.
Look at this.
If you are looking for any good stuff for cream fields, blue goo from the Tremoy guys. It's right up my street, that is. Hopefully 1 hour inverses. Are you bullish, Dean, or? Oh, yeah, no, I see what you're saying. Right, yeah, we've got 5 minutes left, so if this does inverse, that'll be really nice. That will essentially be somewhat of a confirmation for our 4-hour CRT that we've got here. As you can see. Should trade, sweat that high, should trade into this low. We let you know some places. God told me, live a life of luxury. And we've both been waiting. Why does it look weird? Right, we've inversed. Oh no, we did invert. Did we inverse on EU? Okay, we actually didn't inverse on EU, which is not good at all, to be honest. We have to invert it on DX twice. That's a good sign, but yeah, we didn't actually invert this, which is not great. We are basically near enough halfway through the 4-hour candle, though. Mate, really? We ain't even going to invert this 1 minute, are we? This 1 hour, sorry. We're not even going to invert the fucking 1 hour. Really? That was like so probable as well, for fuck's sake, bro. Please close. Mace, seriously, it's not the flipping time to start that crap.
I know you're really fucking pulling and pushing, aren't you?
Say that one more time.
I'm not going to swear again, because I don't like swearing. Swearing's not good.
I love swearing.
Swearing's bad.
I know swearing's bad.
I know swearing's bad, but fuck me.
Fuck me, these boys don't give it some swearing, alright?
I know swearing's bad, but fucking hell. I don't fucking dare.
Oh, is Verts and Isak the 2 worst signings ever? I think Verts is probably the worst Premier League signing of all time.
Of all time?
Yeah. For me, he is, yeah. He's just not great, is he? He's a decent player, but he's just never...
But he's a good lad, though. Good lad.
He's not really a good lad, is he? He's German for a start. But I can't lie, so much BSL above, a bit risky. GU sells, bro, 15-minute inversion. I can't lie, buy side liquidity is risky. Let's have a look. Yeah, we finally had a bit of a confirmation. Back into this fair value, though, that we've already traded off of before.
Might be better this one.
Oh, yeah, nice. Did you enter on that, bro? Did you enter? That was...
The others you have to contact and get that fucking call if he is actually reply. He said he's going to contact him now. This actually looks better. How many months ago? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126,
Wait. Are we going to invert the 1 hour? Come on, we're going to invert the 1 hour. We're going to invert the 1 hour. We did.
3.2.
Okay, nice. Okay, we did invert this 1 hour now, chap. Nicely. So we do have an IFVG now. Great voice you got over there, James, to be fair.
Yeah.
Gritted his teeth and stopped and started melodically singing.
Wasn't that something?
Very decent voice there. Bro, are you live on TikTok? Shit's jarring, the delay is so long. Nah, bro, I'm not even live on it. I got banned on TikTok yesterday for calling. I'm not going to say it again.
You can. It's actually a safe place here.
Called someone a midget. I didn't realise that was an offensive term, but I apologise to the small community.
When every time when I was born, I was gay. I've got Uno to Uno.
Sweet.
Oh yeah, no, I'm gonna send you this. This one actually looks
Cream?
Decent.
Creme fraiche or
more data,
creme de la creme?
less make drawdown.
Nice.
1.3 mil of
Allocation.
asset under management.
That's sick. Is that the one they're trying to get on it? Trying to get on? They've messaged, didn't they? What?
I love
You
that.
shouldn't even know it.
But it's not even the fucking thingy one.
What?
It's not even a Rugrats one.
Oh no, ain't trap. I got it. Hey, like it's going shoulder. I ain't hard like it's going shoulder. Like a school bus. Let it up and blow like a tuba. You're on cam, mate. Tell him something. Oh, you're off. No, you're not. You're on. You're on. You're on. You're on. You're on.
Fucked up there, didn't you?
This is my colleague Jason.
It's actually chasing down and kissing.
And James Rodriguez.
Chasing down and making.
Liverpool don't regret Wirtz as much as Barcelona regret Anthony Gordon. I hate to inform you. Loza, yeah. He played out his skin on his debut, got 2 assists, and they won 4-0.
And he said, I didn't even do that good, I could do way better.
And Wirtz has already been there a season, dropped a stinker, had the worst title defence of all time, started the season again, is still poo, hasn't dropped a single 8 out of 10 game, and costs double the price. I rate Gordon. I was the whole World Cup, bro. Since the start of the World Cup, I was the only person in every boozer saying, I don't rate Rashford, I rate Gordon. Everyone else is the opposite.
Can you tie that out for me?
What? Oh, the wire. What, from here?
Yeah, yeah. Wow.
You're about to get unplugged.
Look like a school bus.
You got it.
Do you want to get out the rear of the PC?
Do you want to get your hand off the get your hand off the neck of the guitar, Ben?
Oh, just remove your hand from the neck of the guitar.
Oh, Ben, just remove your hand from the neck of the guitar, please.
Thanks, man.
Thanks, man.
Which, by the way, always looks stupid on white people. So get a normal haircut.
You're unbearable.
You unbearable prick.
You're unbearable.
The way he says it. You unbearable prick.
You unbearable prick.
Oh, just started again, is it?
Your face. Fucking hell, I thought that was me, bro. Thought I lost.
Fuck me, is your arsehole that loose?
Let go.
I thought it was me.
Where's the anal of this? Sure, Will. Can you hear me, Tommy? It's good, bro. Sorry, I just got a different mic in. You good? Fucking pucker, mate. Fucking crisp. Yeah, it's actually, yeah, perfect. Mine's a bit buggy, so if it cuts out, let me know. No, don't.
Always look embarrassing on white people. They're not countercultural. They actually scream. Oh, they're just fun. So get a
Is
normal.
that better now?
You
Is that
unbearable.
better now?
I just realised something, chat.
Sweet, Resky.
That Ben guy obviously
yeah,
already
so
had
that's fine.
dreadlocks when he went
How
for
do
the
you think that
role, so
anyways?
he's just been abused about his actual haircut that he actually thinks looks good. I thought a midgie was an irritating Scottish fly. That's where it stemmed from, apparently. That's why it's offensive.
Was you just
Tottenham are Tottenham are as cooked as burnt toast, rude boy. Yeah, trust me. They got bare players coming back though. I think they might be alright. Chat, I'm going to let this 15-minute candle play out, and then I'm going to jump off because Mason's got a 1-to-1, and I don't want to talk over him. I'll be respectful to our students, and I won't talk over him. But we'll be back trading the New York session anyway, so there's nothing wrong. No problem there. AUD USD once, no worries,
Very
bro.
good year.
Do you watch 365 day
Oh,
series?
yeah, I mean, that was,
What's that, bro?
I mean, that was August as well. Which is
Brother,
slightly
watch your
something
AUD
unique
USD
historically
once.
Every year. Like,
AUD USD, I do
oh,
want it to go down. Oh, and it's looking lovely for sales. Oh, and it looks beautiful.
yeah, they got back.
Oh, and it
honestly,
looks
'cause I
beautiful.
haven't placed the
Oh.
funding trade this whole month.
Oh,
I'm
oh,
honestly not looking until September because
brings a tear to my eye, mate. How clear these shorts are, mate.
And then
First of all, we've got our internal target.
BOE Fed and ECB in September, which
We've got our
actually is
internal
pretty much
target
the
being this
next
fair value gap.
consensus for
We
the
want,
last- for
so
Q4,
prices made a range.
which is where we're probably
It wants
gonna get
to
the most trades.
rebalance
So,
and then go higher.
yeah,
So
what
right
was
now
your
we're
last
selling
trade?
down into this. We then go down
So
and
what
look
was your
at
last
price
trade?
action.
Yeah.
We want to see what does this mitigate. Because I always say we want to see something from the
So you
prior
get in-
day.
oh,
Ideally,
yeah.
the New York session mitigated. And right now you can see we actually had this fair value gap, which price traded into and mitigated beautifully.
Yeah.
You can see there. We then came back into the order block that mitigated it right here. And now we're getting a decent reaction. So I would really be looking to get in as soon as possible. Let's mark out the DTO just so we know where we stand. DTO is here. So we are, okay, nice. We're actually near that as well. So you can actually wait for a break retest if you want. And let's mark out the candle open as well. Daily candle opened here. Again, we're above that as well. Okay, nice. So, you zoom in a bit more now.
I thought it was beautiful, bro. The buy was. What I said this morning, the trades over one was EU DTO short.
We've just filled this fair value.
or
So yeah, I would literally get it
GU,
now, bro. This looks cream.
ALG.
So there's two ways to go about it, bro. You either just sell from this fair value gap now, in my opinion. Sell from that fair value gap now, stop loss on the high, like this, target in the low. Or you can actually widen the stop loss, which might be a good idea because we do have the Asia high right there, so if you want to keep yourself safe. Just aim for 16 pips. So either this or this.
Trade it for the 15.
4 pips.
No, bro.
Or alternatively, if you want a bit more confirmation, you can wait for a break retest. So we want to break away from the DTO, return back to it, and then sell at the DTO. So your RR is going to be a bit worse, but your confirmation is going to be more. So we've already had price give a MSS. If we go on the 1 minute, that will be an MSS.
He wasn't even DTO as well.
You can see
it traded that leg low.
MSS here, retracement into the fair value, price now dropping. So we can wait for a break of this, number one confirmation. Then obviously running away from the DTO will be our ideal confirmation. So if we get price go like this, I'd sell here. Something like that. Obviously, I've got no idea how strong the Aussie dollar is, so I don't trade it, but that's what I'd do. Can be cheeky and do that, but I wouldn't. I'd go like that.
What do you?
But yeah, I'll let this 15-minute candle play out, and then I'll jump off just so I can do the post London and whatnot.
Oh yeah, that almost looked perfect. Oh, bro, that was fucking insane. Show me. Yeah.
But yeah, chat. To be fair, I might as well call it a day now. I don't think anyone else has really got any more questions. Yeah, I don't know what a 365 series is, bro.
Yeah. Is that what you got in? Yeah. I would say it's one of those ones. It's like making sure you're getting it. Can you hear me?
I think we should really be good to break this. Please invert. Are you in longs, Honey Jan? Can you stop praying on my downfall whilst watching me, please, brother?
Yeah, did you... So, things I would say
GG, Lou. Appreciate you, bro.
What I'd say is just making sure you're getting in. Because the thing is, it's actually kind of the opposite of being greedy. Because you're not looking for. Because look, you could have tried to go for the lowest, like 50% of that IFEG. But you're being greedy and trying to get too much art. But you're making sure you're getting entered and you're sacrificing a bit of art. So I'd argue that it's just making sure you're getting in because you know the move's happening. You've had the confirmation this week for the low, the price moving up. So I'd say it is just more just making sure you're getting in, which I think it's, yeah. So what did you get in on? Was it a challenge or fun?
Lou, let's manifest this trade. Tell us that EU Shorts will TP and settle chest. EU Shorts will TP if it's the last thing it ever fucking does. And I say that with 100% conviction. Fuck that, I say that with 1,000% conviction. And if it doesn't, I'll put a fucking hole through my monitor. But that won't happen, so don't worry, we're in TP. If you're buying, you're going to lose all your money. You're going to have to go into fucking bankruptcy. You're going to have to sell your house. You're going to have to sell your kidneys. You're going to have to sell your body to fucking slavery or something. Okay, because shorts are going to make generational wealth and buyers are going to make nothing. So sell now or forever hold your peace. Nah, in all seriousness, chat, this could actually go either way. I personally think we'll hit TP, but it could go either way. So handle with care. Stop loss at break even if you want. I'm personally leaving this one open, but remember this is trading. It's an open market, so anything can happen at any time. You could have one candle that stops us out, one candle that TPs. We could just not move all the way till tomorrow news. So, yeah. Big up to everyone who tuned in. Appreciate all the likes, comments, shares, and follows and all that. And I'll catch you in the next one, boys. Remember, if your friendship group aren't trading, tell a friend. Watch Lou's stream tomorrow, and it will get you into trading. Let me know you've got your friend in here, and I can help him out as a beginner, and I can get him into trading, boys. Tell your friends about the stream. Tell your mum about the stream. Tell your nan. Tell your pet. Tell anyone about the stream chat. That's 2 days in a row, 2 dubs. Trade yesterday hit TP 2%. Lovely. Oh.
Is that better?
So yeah, trade yesterday on live we had hit full TP. So streams are up 2% so far. If this one hits TP, then streams will be up 2.8 again. So basically between 4 and 5%, nearer to 5 though. So, oh, this is such a good song, bro. You heard this? This is sick, bro. I'm sure these guys were on like America's Got Talent or like Hungary's Got Talent or something.
Yeah.
Them little fucking instruments in it, a little. So hard to find though, James. Look at the title of the song.
What does that even spell?
No idea what language it even is. As soon as it says boobs. Dub. Right, appreciate you tuning in, chat. I'm going to jump off and I'm going to go jump on a pre-London, post-London stream. So I appreciate you guys all tuning in, boys. And I'll catch you in the next one, people. W day. Let's wait for this one to play out. I'm going to be back live at 2 PM trading futures. I've got 2 accounts to full port. One's already up like 3 bags. The other one's fresh. I'm going to full port at 2 PM. Be there or be fucking square. Appreciate you tuning in, people. And I'll see you in the next one, boys. Sweet.